Neapolitan horse. The Neapolitan horse, Italian, Cavallo Napolitano, Napolitano or Napolitano, is a horse breed that originated in the plains between Naples and Caserta, in the Campania region of Italy, but which may have been bred throughout the Kingdom of Naples. The Neapolitan horse was frequently mentioned in literature from the 16th to the 19th centuries and is noted for its quality. Corte wrote in 1562, "In Italy the horses of the Kingdom of Naples are greatly esteemed. There many fine coursers are born, suitable for use in war and in the mange, and for every service that the rider may require." The decline of the breed was noted in the early 20th century by Mascheroni 1903 and Fogliata 1908. Some sources state that by 1950 the original Neapolitan horse was deemed extinct, but its lines were incorporated into other breeds, most notably the Lipizzaner. However, a breed called the Napolitano exists in Italy today and is recognized by the Italian government. According to Gouraud, a dedicated breeder is hoping to be able to rebuild it. La Repubblica reports that the attempt is based on a single stallion, Napolitano il Vecchio, which belonged as a foal to Marshal Tito and passed when old to a Serbian farmer, from whom it was purchased and imported to Italy in 1989. The Napolitano as it is known today is one of the 15 indigenous horse breeds of limited distribution currently recognized by the AIA. In 2005, a total population of 20 mares and 4 stallions was registered. Characteristics. History. Between the 16th and 19th centuries, Naples and the surrounding regions were known for their high-quality Neapolitan horses. The best horses were bred by nobles for transportation and cavalry. At the beginning of this time, the horses were likely small, coarse, and heavy, suitable for carrying heavily armored warriors. However, as elsewhere, the use of firearms brought on the desire for a more attractive, agile horse. This was achieved through selective breeding, but also through the use of horses from the Near and Middle East. The horses from these arid lands were, if not properly Arabian themselves, at least in type would have been very like Arabians, Barbs, and Akultiks. Neapolitan breeders, it seems, regularly exchanged stock with those in Andalusia, which would have encouraged the Barb influence. As a result, the Neapolitan horse fit the Baroque horse mold. The head was straight to convex in structure, but dry-featured. The body was deep and broad, but short-backed, with wide round hindquarters and a crested, powerful neck set on high. Neapolitan horses are often mentioned in the history of European horse breeds. A modern breed considered similar to the ancient Neapolitan is one of its descendants, the Lipizzaner. Timeline. 1508 Ferdinand of Spain joins the League of Cambrai, which returns Apulia to Spain, along with southern Italy, the port of Brindisi, and Sardinia, where he founds an Andalusian stud at Abasanta. Several other Andalusian studs follow. Italian horses receive a heavy dose of Spanish blood. 1567 1200 mares are selected for a project by Philip Roman II of Spain to breed the perfect Spanish horse. They are crossed with Neapolitans, which had been heavily crossed with Andalusians during the time of Ferdinand. 1572 the first foals of Philip Roman II's project are born, and he decides to save these animals for his own use and to present them as gifts to other royals. Highly colored, they are elegant, with an elevated gait, and capable of performing the difficult airs above the ground. 1624 classical dressage is being taught in Italy. Neapolitan stallions perform the airs above the ground between pillars. 1767 Conversano, a black Neapolitan stallion, is foaled later to become a foundation sire for the Lipizzaner breed. 1790 Napolitano, a brown stallion from the Po region of Italy, is foaled. He is another foundation sire for the Lipizzaner breed. 1819 Maistoso is foaled in Hungary. He is half Spanish, half Neapolitan, and another foundation sire of the Lipizzaner breed. 1950 the Neapolitan is thought to have become extinct. 1989 the stallion Napolitano il Vecchio, which belonged as a foal to Marshal Tito, is imported to Italy with the hopes of rebuilding the Napolitano breed. 2003 the Napolitano is recognized by the AIA under the terms of Ministerial Decree DM. Uses: the Napolitano is suitable for light or medium driving and as a saddle horse, but particularly for dressage and haute école.